This is Flavors of Carrot Cake. For the cream cheese ice cream, I put it in the Aeronox Blast Chiller to quickly set it and keep the consistency smooth and scoopable. Being in a San Diego kitchen, the kitchens usually get super hot, and when I use the Blast Chiller, it keeps the consistency the same. To make the carrot granita, we use juiced carrot, lemon juice, and sugar. You mix it all together and put it in the Aeronox Blast Chiller to cool it down really quickly and create a nice shaved ice consistency. I make a Swiss meringue over bain-marie. I whip it to a medium stiff peak and I pipe it onto a parchment lined sheet tray. To dehydrate it, I put it in the Rational iCombi Pro. Using the combi oven to make meringues is really great because it pulls all the extra moisture out of the air without browning your meringue. To make the candied baby carrots, we slice them very thin, put them in a vacuum seal bag with some simple syrup, star anise, and cinnamon. We use the Henkelman vacuum sealer to quickly compress the carrot to really infuse the flavors of the spices. Having all these pieces of equipment in the kitchen helps me multitask while I work and speeds up production. They also help keep recipes consistent, so if I'm not doing it and one of my cooks is doing it, and I know it's going to come out perfect every time.
This dessert is inspired by some of my favorite tropical flavors. To make the lime curd, I take egg yolks, sugar, and lime juice and blend them together and move over to the Henkelman vacuum machine. The great thing about the vacuum machine is it has different levels. For this setting, I will choose the liquid. It's nice having all these features because there's so many different things that you can do in the vacuum machine. It's nice it doesn't overflow and you could get the proper pressure that you desire. I place the curd in the Rational iCombi Pro at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes on full steam. Using a combi oven for something like this is really great because it just cuts the time in half. Instead of staining over a double boiler, you simply bag it up and place it in the combi and it is done. For the coconut sorbet, we take boiled water, we rain in our dehydrated sugar, then pour over our coconut puree and place it into the Aeronox Blast Chiller to cool the product down to the desired consistency. For the poached mango batons, I compress them in olive oil in the Henkelman vacuum machine. After that, I take them to the combi oven. Using the steam function, I do 100% steam to poach my mango baton. For the coffee streusel, I take coconut, coffee, sugar, flour, and melted butter. I place the streusel in the combi on convection setting on low fan. Being able to control the fan in the convection oven helps control consistency. The great thing about these machines is they're versatile, consistent, and they cut down on prep time. I can do almost anything I desire in these machines.